Namaskar, and welcome. My name is Krishna Pankaj Naram, and I love you all. Here is my father, Dr. Naram, and Namaskar from Dr. Naram to you as well. Big breakthrough news for you. Today is a great Facebook Live because today with us are so many powerful guests from all over the world. And today, my mother, Dr. Smita Naram, a world expert on proven ancient solutions, along with her specially trained doctor, Dr. Deepali, will share with you the newest breakthroughs in PCOS, PCOD in the last 5,000 years. And can proven ancient solutions of Ayushakti help you with any kind of, can it be severe hormonal imbalance as well? Can they help you? How can you experience vibrant health, unlimited vitality, and inner peace naturally? So, without further delay, I want to invite my mother, Dr. Smita Naram, and along with her, one very special guest who can share her true story and inspire you with many home remedies, herbal remedies, and lifestyle remedies which can reverse your health, make it better, happier, healthier. Mummy, Dr. Smita Naram, welcome.
So I want to share a real story of my life actually. I was kind of surprised and amazed by this whole experience. This is in 2013 in our Malad Ayushakti clinic. One day I was working and then there was this couple came from USA with a little baby, 6 months old. And as soon as she came, sat in front of me on the table, she put the baby and said, "Here is your baby." And I'm saying, "What? When did I deliver this baby?" Because I have only one son, which is, you saw him, 21 years old. So, and then she said, you were doing this program on ZTV. I used to do a TV show. Every day I used to give tips from 2005 until 2013. 9 years, almost 9 years, I did that every day. And once I spoke about obesity, and I said that 6 months plan I gave you, which people use and they lose their weight. So this Shakina Banu, who came from UK, she had no menstruation for 12 years. She tried all kinds of different things to get baby. IVF, hormone therapies. She had a severe PCOS. Finally, her menstruation went away, and they said that there is a premature ovarian failure. And she just gave up everything. Like she thought, I'm not going to get a baby. But then one day I spoke about this obesity weight loss program, 6 months completely. She followed it religiously. Mung soup, vegetable diet every month, only protein and vegetables other days, and home remedy that I gave her, which today we will be sharing also in this program. Everything, it is a hormone balancing home remedy. She did it religiously, and in 3 months she got her periods. After another 3-4 months, her periods got delayed, and she checked, and the doctor said, "You are pregnant." This was like unbelievable for her. That's what happens when you work from the root cause. जड़ से यदि कोई चीज निकाले आप अगर, तो आपकी सिचुएशन ऐसी ठीक हो जाती है कि जो चीज सालों से अटकी है वो हो गई. तो मैं और वो एकदम खुश, इतने खुश के पूछो नहीं. And then I decided that I will share this kitchen formula, the program, to the whole world. Trust me, sometimes it works, but sometimes you have to take also the herbal formulas. I have with me today my great business partner of Ayushakti, one of the partner who is the true what do you call, she just spreads Ayurveda in Austria, Vienna in such a great manner. But I met her actually long back, many years ago. and she herself had some hormonal imbalance. And I invite Elizabeth, please share your story and inspire everybody.
Hello, Smita. Thanks for inviting me. My name is Elisabeth Maurer from Vienna. As Smita said, I lead an institute there for Ayurveda and yoga, and we offer massages, yoga classes, education. And with Ayush Shakti, I work now for about 10 years together. And when I met Smita the first time, I was for consulting because I was curious what she's doing. And so she looked at my pulse and she asked me if I would like to get a child. I was in this time already 37 years old. And yes, we wanted to get a child for years and we never got one. I was not with a doctor, or just hoping it will be one time. And she said, no, you have to do something. Check your situation. She felt something in there. And she found out that I had these cysts and no ovulation. And I took these herbs. And after 4 months, I thought, so now it must be enough, I guess. Okay? And she didn't control, and she said, no, it's chronic, and it will take about 1.5 years. And it was nearly exactly in this time when I got pregnant after this 1.5 years. And now this is Franziska. She's now with me. She's now nearly 8 years. And we are very, very lucky to have her. And yes, that's it.
वाह एलिजाबेथ, सो पावरफुल. एलिजाबेथ की स्टोरी ये थी कि एक्चुअली वो बहुत सालों पहले मुझे मिली थी और उन्होंने बहुत सालों से वो ट्राई कर रहे थे एक्चुअली प्रेग्नेंट होने की. मैंने नाड़ी देख के बताया कि आपको क्या बच्चा होने में दिक्कत है. शी सेड यस, हम तो बहुत सालों से ट्राई कर रहे हैं, पर मैं सोचा कभी हो जाएगा शायद. मैंने कभी आर्टिफिशियल मीन नहीं ट्राई किया था. तो मैंने बोला कि आप ये आयुर्वेदिक दवाइयां लीजिए, आपको फायदा हो जाएगा. 4 महीने के बाद उसने सोचा अब तक फायदा क्यों नहीं हुआ. तो मैंने बोला आपकी ओवरीज काम नहीं कर रही है और उसकी वजह से थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. 1 से 1.5 साल में हो जाएगा. और सच में 1 से 1.5 साल में वो प्रेग्नेंट हो गए. आज उनकी बच्ची आप देख सकते हैं स्क्रीन पे, इतनी खुश है. और एलिजाबेथ एक्चुअली हमारे आयुष शक्ति की पार्टनर है. आयुष शक्ति के कम से कम 3 डॉक्टर्स वहां जाते हैं. मैं खुद भी जाती हूँ और वहां पे हम डॉक्टर्स की ट्रेनिंग भी लेते हैं. एलिजाबेथ के साथ हमारे बहुत अच्छे रिश्ते हैं. तो वो आयुर्वेद का प्रचार और जोरों से करने लगी. So that's what happens when you actually get your own result. So polycystic ovaries basically ऐसी चीज है कि जहाँ पे ovaries जो है नॉर्मली ऐसा होता है कि हर महीने हमारी जो ओवरी, जिसे हम बीजाशय शायद बोलते हैं, जहाँ से अंडे पैदा होते हैं, follicles are created in those ovaries. Normally every month they have to be ruptured. So आप एरो में देख रहे हैं वो नॉर्मल ओवरी है, हेल्दी ओवरी है. लेकिन कई बार ऐसा हो जाता है कि रॉन्ग डाइट, लाइफस्टाइल, ब्लॉकेजेस इन द हार्मोन सिस्टम एटसेट्रा की वजह से ओवरीज के अंदर हर महीने बीज तो पैदा होते हैं लेकिन वो फूटते नहीं है. तो फॉलिकल्स आर क्रिएटेड इन द ओवरीज बट दे आर नॉट रप्चर्ड एंड दे बिकम अ स्मॉल सिस्ट. एंड एवरी मंथ दिस सिस्ट कैन क्रिएट, जैसे ये एरो में दिख रहा है आपको कि ये जो सिस्ट है वो एक प्रकार की फुली हुई ओवरीज बन गई अभी. और छोटी छोटी सिस्ट होके जैसे कि ग्रेप्स, दे लुक like a bunch of grapes actually with a very small cyst. And there are so many problems related with that, which Dr. Dipali will talk to you, including infertility, that this problem I believe you should solve only with Ayurveda. Because normal hormonal thing you take, your period come regular, but it doesn't really remove the problem from the root. While Ayush Shakti has hundreds and hundreds of files where earlier there was PCOD, and it takes some time because it's a very chronic situation. But after 1 year to 1.5 years, it completely went away, even in ultrasound. And they got pregnant, they got babies, they started getting normal periods. We have hundreds of files. So we would like to share this knowledge today with you, which comes only from our experience.
Wow. Mummy, this is amazing. And dear friends, dear family, believe it or not, once I was in college, and at that time, I had a couple of friends suffering with this challenge. And then I saw many of my other friends, not only in college, but other friends from different places. Those women, those girls were suffering from horrible PCOD, PCOS, irregular cycles, hair starts falling, acne starts coming, weight starts increasing, and no solution. Whatever they try, problem is not getting reversed. They are having more stronger mood swings, and their life has become like hell. I shared with mummy, and then I did not know what to do, what could happen. But mummy and at that time Papa, Dr. Naram, they both gave me solutions of diet, lifestyle, home remedies, even no herbs. Just that much they gave me. And then I shared with my friends. They had it. After 3 days, they come to me. They say, "Oh my God, Krishna, you don't know what happened." I say, I really don't know what happened. What happened? And then they say, "Krishna, this time the pain suddenly was 50% lesser. Mood swings were almost not there. And I feel better. I feel more enthusiastic, more energetic. I feel less confused. I feel more clearer. And this has given me confidence and power to live. This is the best experience of my life." I did not even know how big I was smiling. Maybe my lips touched till my ears. That happy I had become. And then I just went to mom and dad and saying, "Thank you, mommy, papa. This is like a miracle what you are doing." So right now, in the next couple of minutes, a very amazing doctor, a doctor who is considered like a specialist of fertility, a specialist of hormones, and how to solve hormone challenges in a natural, safe, proven, effective way. Dr. Deepali will come and share with you the same home remedies, lifestyle, diet, and even herbal remedies, which can create these miracles in your life as well. But before that, an amazing announcement to make. This announcement is because many people in the last couple of days, weeks during this quarantine have been asking, when is the clinics open? When can we get the herbs? We want herbs for diabetes, arthritis, blood pressure, cholesterol, and endless challenges. So this list on the screen, I strongly urge you. You can take a screenshot of this and share it with all those you love. If you would like to help them have a better, powerful, and more healthier life, you can share it with them. You can keep this with you. This is the clinics which are open and the numbers how you can contact and get what you want from there. And this will be uploaded almost every day on various social media pages of Ayushakti, so we can help you, serve you in the most powerful way possible. Now, without further delay, the most exciting wisdom and the most amazing breakthrough in the last 5,000 years will be shared with you, because this might be the extract of 5,000 years. Maybe, can be. Either ways, it is from our heart to serve you in the best way possible. I want to introduce the fertility specialist, Dr. Deepali. Welcome, welcome. Namaskar.
Namaskar. Hello, friends. Namaskar. I'm Dr. Deepali Shastri. Today, when we thought about this burning problem to talk with you, I'm recalling my one Sunday brunch meeting with my two gynecologist friends. And friends, both of them are very, very well-known practitioners. So they were discussing their practice, their patient, and especially challenges coming in PCOD patients. So suddenly they asked me, "Deepali, do you get PCOD patients as well?" And my reply was, if I will take only and only PCOD OPD, still it will be very, very busy. Because of two reasons, friends. Number one, that the rising number of PCOD patients is too high. Itself in India is 1 million cases every year. And second, I could say very confidently, because Ayush Shakti and Ayurveda can help that situation. So friends, PCOD is such a big health challenge in the female in their childbearing age. And generally, when the female comes, the symptoms they come with the generally obesity, acne outbreak, male pattern bald. They have a lot of mood swings, insulin resistance. But friends, I have seen people with the even lean PCOD, so who doesn't have even obesity problem, and their cases are worse because they are more undiagnosed because of the obesity problem, but still they do suffer the same things. And उससे ज्यादा बड़ी बात यह है कि पीसीओडी तो एक डिजीज है, पर वो बड़े बड़े डिजीज को एसोसिएट करती है, लेके आती है अपने साथ, जैसे कि डायबिटीज, ओबेसिटी तो है ही, हार्ट प्रॉब्लम, हाई ब्लड प्रेशर, and of course infertility. Infertility, according to data, if you take 100% infertility count, 70% out of it is produced by PCOD, caused by PCOD. So such a major reason for infertility. And study even says the patient who has largely absent period, because irregular periods, the PCOD people have it. But if they have irregular periods largely, then in future they tend to have endometrial cancer. Means friends, जो गर्भाशय होता है उसकी अंदर की परत का कैंसर होने के इसमें चांसेस है. तो ये इतने बड़े डिजीज के लिए हमने सोचा आपके लिए, आपके बेनिफिट के लिए, फॉर योर ओन बेनिफिट, here I am sharing you one action plan. And the first out of it is home remedies that you can do it at home. So half a liter water, take half teaspoon cinnamon powder and half a teaspoon dry ginger powder. Boil it, simmer it for 5 minutes like a tea, and then drink it and sip it warm. Friends, दालचीनी का पाउडर नोट कीजिए, दालचीनी का पाउडर आधा चम्मच, उसके साथ आधा चम्मच सौंठ का पाउडर, वो दोनों मिला के आधा लीटर पानी में बॉईल कीजिए, उसको चाय की तरह उबाले और धीरे धीरे पिए. ये बहुत ही इफेक्टिव होम रेमेडीज है. एक्शन प्लान का दूसरा हथियार है हमारे पास, which is diet. So many disease as a specific diet. PCOD demands to avoid absolutely no to wheat, no to any milk and milk products, carbohydrates, red meat, and processed food. And why this? Because the reason it will worsen the PCOD and it will higher up the insulin resistance, which is actually cause for the PCOD. So that should be completely avoided. Then the question is what to take. So best thing to take is moong diet, moong and vegetable. 60% of vegetable, because vegetable is healthy and providing lot of fiber, and it is very much needed for the PCOD, and 40% of protein. And in protein, people can take moong, chickpeas, means छोले, वो सब खा सकते हैं, but उनके साथ जो non-vegetarian, so lean protein source, they can use it. My special strong suggestion for the all PCOD patient, that 5 to 7 days only and only on moong vegetable diet. You decide in the month which day you want to pick up, like 1st to 5th or 5th to 10th. If you are in a severity, you can do it 7 to 10 days. this will be very, very powerful diet for you guys. And for you, in your interest, Ayush Shakti, in thinking of the patient of PCOD, obesity, diabetes, they have developed lovely protein-based food range, which you can, who are in India, living in India, they can certainly take an opportunity to have it. It's a good munching and your taste bud can be tickled with that. And it's a very, very healthy and absolutely non-adulterated things. And thinking that not only PCOD, the rest of the people who are suffering and whose diet, disease demands the diet, specific diet. So with that, like a heart problem, high blood pressure, diabetes, PCOD, they can take the benefit of this diet, friends. Now, this is the very, very powerful diet, which is the second number of your action plan, friends. If you have any question, please write us in the comment box. We are very happy to help you for that. If Dr. Smita, would you like to share some home remedies out of your wisdom over here?
Would you like to go ahead with the exercise plan first of all? I was thinking. Then I'll just share some home remedy, special one for everybody, because
Yes.
with the diet goes hand in hand exercise.
Yes.
And you have some very, very great exercise plan.
Yes. So this is the action plan that because exercise is very integrated part of this therapy treatment. So you pick up whatever you like, but walking, running, sport jogging. Along with this, at least do some Surya Namaskar. It is very, very beneficial for all over health plus PCOD patient. Pranayam, Anulom, Vilom is very useful. Even you can do Kapalabhati Pranayam. Paryankasana is very, very useful. Pile squat, which helps to strengthen the system and activate the system of PCOD patient. And this should be done at least 30 to 40 minutes. And distressing yourself is very important by doing some hobby, deep breathing, pranayam. You can do even shavasana, which is essential for you.
Wonderful. So that exercise is actually one of the main thing that one should do. And along with that, I would like to share this home remedy, which actually originally was shared by the teacher of my late husband, Dr. Pankaj Naram, his teacher who lived up to 124 years. He used to give this home remedy to everybody. And that's how I learned it from my husband. So this home remedy contains 250 grams of fennel seed powder, which means जो सौंफ होता है वो करीब 250 ग्राम का पाउडर. उसके बाद क्यूमिन सीड पाउडर जो है वो 100 ग्राम, 100 ग्राम जो है वो जीरे का चूर्ण, कोरिएंडर सीड पाउडर 50 ग्राम, यानी कि ये धनिये का चूर्ण जो है वो 50 ग्राम, और कैरम सीड यानी कि अजवाइन का चूर्ण 50 ग्राम्स, और ये अपना हिंग जो है that has to be around 10 grams. तो हींग यानी asafoetida. तो asafoetida will be around 10 grams. ये सारे mix everything together in a pan properly, and then you divide them into 60 packets. ये सारी चीज mix करके आप 60 पैकेट में उसे divide कीजिए, and take 4 packets a day. So एक पैकेट उसमें से आधे ग्लास पानी में मिला करके मिक्स करके पी लीजिए, फिर दूसरा, फिर तीसरा और फिर चौथा. Like that, this whole thing will go on. This mixture will be good enough for 15 days. 15 दिन ये लेना है और ऐसे लेते ही रहना है मेरे प्यारी संगिनियों. You remember, my dear friends, that PCOD is a very chronic situation. It takes very long time, and everything you have to do it for quite sometimes 1 year, sometimes 10 months, sometimes 12, 13 months. So I believe, Dr. Dipali, we have in clinics lots of patients in Ayush Shakti clinics. I mean, hundreds and hundreds and thousands of files with proof that it works on PCOD. But Dr. Dipali have been mainly in Ayush Shakti clinic focusing on PCOD. And you have very remarkable stories. Would you like to share some?
Yes. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Dr. Smita. So, in this last 27 years of practice, I have seen many PCOD patients coming to us very, very frustrated. And it's a PCOD itself for them proved as a very long and a never-ending kind of the battle. So they come with the frustration that, can you just give me a cure? Can you just give me a right solution to it? So I'm remembering 5.5 years back, one couple coming to me, and her first period came at age of 13. Mm-hmm. And the menarche started. Then she never ever got the natural period. That was the major concern for her. And being in a little Orthodox family, the family after getting married asked for a baby. So they wanted to plan a family. They were just running here and there. They tried several things, including test tube baby friends. And the result was negative, so they were too frustrated. And she was another concern that my hair is thinning and too much loss, so I need to do something for my hair. I said, relax, we need to do first thing to align your hormones, because this is because of your hormones. And when we remove the test, I told her before that it is a gross hormonal imbalance. And when we saw hormones on the paper, that tallied with it. And her male estrogen, male hormone, जो टेस्टोस्टेरोन होता है, वो इतने पिक पे था, उसका estrogen down, and very erratic and severe insulin resistance. And she came with a central obesity naturally as a PCOD's feature. And then I suggested that you need to go through this diet. You have to have this commitment for the PCOD. You need to follow the diet, this kind of lifestyle changes, and these home remedies. And then we designed a very special PCOD customized detox for her too. She started to follow one by one thing. And very nicely, after 5.5 months, she got her first natural period. So 13 was the first natural period, and another was 31. Absolutely reversed the numeric trends. So she couldn't believe that it's a natural period. She wasn't ovulating. We worked hard for it, and slowly she started to ovulate, because the destination for her was a fertility. And after 21 months, she lost 14 kg weight, and her journey of infertility touched the destination. And her report came positive. Now the another phase of PCOD, when they get pregnant, but gestational diabetes is a big threat or a miscarriage. So her gynecologist said, obstetrician, look, you may develop this thing. So you need to take care of it. Now, that's the another as a duty. We actually continuously monitored her pregnancy. She didn't develop any gestational diabetes. Hardly that require 9 to 10 kg weight, which we have put on as a target for her, with a very healthy diet. And she is now a 2-year-old son and who is very healthy. So we could take care of her even pregnancy journey. और फ्रेंड्स, मुझे एक दूसरा किस्सा याद आता है इंडिया में, which is very very common. Like one mother came with her daughter who is 27-year-old. वो आई तो माँ को चिंता ये थी कि अभी वजन इतना बढ़ रहा है ना, शादी नहीं हो रही है उसकी, तो क्या करें डॉक्टर, ऐसा कुछ बताओ वजन कम करना. So she has a cycle around 42 to 47 days, which they considered कि normal है. But when I took the pulse, we revealed that it's a PCOD problem. And we tallied with the sonography ultrasound. And it was that. Mother को चिंता थी कि वजन उतरे. And we started actual treatment to balance her hormones. Slowly, because she had acne breakouts too. She was feeling very lazy. The first step that she started to feel extremely active because of laziness, water retention, which was going away. Her metabolism was activated. Her hormones started to balance. She lost 18 kg in a 1 year. And very pleasantly, she got married. And in January, she called me that, doctor, I'm pregnant, which was like my fear, looking at her pulse at that time, that it will be again a kind of the different kind of the journey for the fertility if she lives in between. But she finished it and she said, doctor, we want to come back to Ayush Shakti for my pregnancy care too. So Ayush Shakti could help and very happy. But in this action plan, herbs has a major role. So friends, आपके लिए ये खास 2 prime topmost medicine है. Surudai, 2 tablets twice a day after meal. Surudai actually balances the hormone and aligns the metabolism as well, because it's actually PCOD is a game of low metabolism and the imbalance of the hormone. And we have one beautiful formulation called Stree Sanjeevani, 2 tablets twice a day. This is a tablet which actually balances the 2 hormones, which is most important in progesterone and estrogen. And it is believe me friends, it's a very, very unique formula, which I'm practicing since years and years together to get the wonderful result. So this formula balances that. So friends, it is our commitment always to help you. Please write your questions in our comment box and we will be very, very happy to help you. And in this battle of very complicated disease and the health, we hope and trust that health wins. Wish you all a very, very vibrant health, naturally, herbally. Namaskar.
Thank you so much, doctor, for answering these queries. Like this was the in-depth information I have received on PCOS. But we have few questions from our viewers. So the very first question from Hina is, she says, आधा लीटर पानी पूरा एक साथ पीना है या दिन में थोड़ा थोड़ा?
आप उसको आधा लीटर का वैसे भी 350-400 ml हो जाएगा. So it's hardly 2 teacups. So एक ले लीजिए, दूसरा 1-2 घंटे के बाद ले सकते हैं.
She has also asked about is Zumba good for PCOD?
Yes, she can do Zumba. Zumba is good for PCOD.
All right. There is one more question. What are some foods women with PCOS should avoid?
This is, as I mentioned, no wheat and wheat products, no processed food like bakery items or like a drinks, cold drinks, and junk food they should be avoiding, and absolutely no dairy. So milk and milk products, say bye-bye to it.
All right. There is one main question. It is like, is PCOS or PCOD genetic?
Yes. So, Asmita, here I want to mention for the people, whosoever is having PCOD history in the family, please take care of your young girl child who has a more possibility and risk to develop into PCOD in future in her puberty. So you can implement this kind of the diet and action plan for even a young child. So you can either prevent, or if at all it comes with a very, very low intensity, and we are always there to help the young child too.
All right, doctor. There is one more question from our viewers. What can I drink that will help in losing weight?
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
What can we drink that will help in losing weight?
See, this is cinnamon and ginger tea, of course, but you can do one thing. If you are drinking ginger water, like 3 liter water with a 2 to 3 teaspoon of dry ginger powder, boil it and drink it like a tea. It is very healthy to clear your toxins. If you clear your toxin, your digestion is better, you would not easily land up into the obesity, providing you follow the healthy diet.
All right, doctor. Can you suggest a herbal supplement for controlling PCOS symptoms?
Yes. So, as we mentioned, Stree Sanjeevani and Suruday are a wonderful, having a composition, wonderful composition that you can use, but it depends on the severity. So if someone is not having very, very regular, they can use our formulation of Stree Sati, and who has a very, very long absent period, they can use our formula called Kumarika as well.
All right. So, Dr. Smita Naram, I just want to ask you any tips you want to give to the youngsters, to the young girls who are dealing with this?
Most of the young girls that we met are actually every young people, they don't have a lot of patience. इतना धीरज नहीं रहता है, सोते अभी का भी हो जाना चाहिए बस. So the thing is that this is so deep rooted situation that just have patience and do it for 6-9 months, because sometimes what happens, they do it, then once it is regular in 2-3 months, they stop. Again, it becomes irregular. So if you do it like Dr. Dipali said, the full course, then it is like completely gone from your system and you are free and you can all the time remain free from this problem. So that's what I would say. And I would also say that, just avoid the junk food, especially deep fried chips, burger, pizza, pasta, those white flour things, cheese, all of these things actually increase and they are main cause of PCOD today. So just try and stay away from that. If you have to eat outside, just eat something which is more from rice, vegetables, etc. Like if you want to eat Indian food, maybe biryani, khichdi, idli, those are okay. If you are eating in the Western countries, maybe go for tofu and vegetables or Thai food instead of eating junk foods like pizza, pastas, or burgers, etc. So that you will stay on a safer zone and at least your hormone imbalance will not aggravate. It will not trigger more. That's what I would recommend.
All right, doctor. I just wanted to ask Miss Elizabeth one question. Do you want to share anything about for our generation? Like what was your history and your story? What was the experience and everything you want to share with us?
To believe that there, yes. I think it's fine to believe that there is some help somewhere. You just have to find it. This is a big thing, you know, because Dr. Dipali told us about the frustrating situation of the people and the sadness all together. So I think it's fine to search for solutions and to find and to try things. And I think Ayushakti or Ayurveda is a very good way to support even earlier is good, I think. And also with imbalances, I think now we have a lot of people who have these thyroid problems and hormone imbalances, and many people ask us and they come to our place when Smita or Hemang or somebody from your doctors come to our place and offering the consultations. So many people come and are looking for solutions in a natural way. Yeah.
Yes.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much. I would like to thank you, Dr. Smita Naram, Miss Elizabeth, and Dr. Dipali for joining us today and answering all of the questions, all of the major questions we all go through. And friends, you have seen on the screen Miss Elizabeth's story, but I have seen happy faces in Ayushakti Clinic getting remarkable relief, remarkable results, and also infertility patients who have got their results and got their babies. I just want you all to know that we are treating so many patients dealing with this. And if you have any of the family members or any friends or any colleagues who are dealing with this, let's talk about this very openly about PCOS, PCOD, and infertility and get them in Ayushakti clinic. Our herbs, our herbal remedies will help them to cure from in depth. So, all of our Ayush Shakti clinic are open now in this current situation. As you can see on the screen, Malad, Dadar, Thane, Kems Corner, Khargar, Kalyan, Vileparle, Dombivali, Goregaon, Borivali, Mira Road, and Andheri. These all centers are open from Monday to Saturday, and our doctors are available for the treatment as well. You can call us on the numbers shown as on the screen. If you're calling somewhere from India, you can call us on 1-800-266-3001. If you're calling from any global country, you can call us on 1-800-2800-906. You can even WhatsApp us on 7777001561, or you can email us at info@ayushakti.com. And friends, we are delivering all our herbs across the globe. If you want to order any herbs, any medicines from Ayushakti, you can order from our website www.ayushakti.com. Namaskar.